Okay students, I hope you may understand 1 to 4 paragraph. Today I am going to start the explanation of the paragraph number 5. Standard 9, subject English. And for all this, Evelyn would not accept any hint of heroic achievement. If you work hard and know where you are going, you will get there. And she got right to the top. The world's most sought after multi-percussionist with the mystery of the some thousand instruments and the hectic international schedule. The paragraph number 5 informs to us that she did not have any trick, but she said, if you work hard and know where you are going, you will reach there. She became a multi-percussionist, means she played the multi-instruments. Paragraph number 6. It is intriguing to watch even in functions so effortlessly without a hearing. In our 2-hour discussion, she never missed a word. When with the bushy beards give me trouble, she laughed. It is not just watching the lips, it's the whole face, especially the eyes. She speaks flawlessly with the Scottish slit. My speech is clear because I could hear till I was 11, she says. But that does not explain how she managed to learn French and the master basic Japanese. Paragraph number 6 informs to us that they were very intriguing. Intriguing means curious, excited to watch her function. She play without efforts. It means not to do more hard work, just easy way. 2 hours discussion, she never missed any words. She laughed that a man with the bushy beards gave me trouble because she did not see his lips. So she could not understand the pronunciation. She could not understand the movement of the lips. She speaks flawlessly, means without a mistake, by the Scottish accent. Accent, it means about the tact. She said that her speech was clear because I could hear till I was 11. She don't explain how she managed to learn a French and the Japanese language. Paragraph number 7. As for music, she explains it pours in through every part of my body. It tingles in the skin, my cheekbones, and even in my hair. When she plays the saxophone, she can sense the sounds passing up the stick into her fingertips. By leaning against the drums, she can feel the renunciations flowing into her body. On a wooden platform, she removes her shoes so that the vibrations pass to her bare feet and up her leg. The paragraph number 7 informs to us that she said that music was in my body, in my skin, in my cheekbones, even in my hair. When she played the saxophone, she felt the vibrations of a sound through her stick. She felt the renounce, means about echoes or the sound in her body. When she performed on the wooden platform, she removes her shoes so that the vibrations pass through the bare feet and she can understand the echo and the sound of the music. Okay students, it is the explanations of the till to paragraph number 7. I hope you may understand about the hard work and the dedications of the girl Evelyn. How to see getting a success. So the further explanations it will be given in the next video. Thank you.